This video is a quick overview of the relationships between the notes in the major scale. We will use a C major scale to demonstrate. We number the notes in the scale from 1 through 8. We call these numbers the scale degrees. The most important degree in the major scale is the first degree, which we call the tonic. Sometimes we also call it the home tone or the keynote. The second most important degree in the scale is the fifth degree, which we call the dominant. That's because it tends to dominate the harmony. Then let's look at the fourth degree, called the subdominant, because it's below the dominant. The seventh degree of the scale is the leading tone, because it leads to the tonic. It leads home. The second degree of the scale is the supertonic. In this case, super simply means above the tonic. The third scale degree is the median, which means in the middle. No, it's not in the middle of the scale. It's in the middle between the tonic and the dominant. The sixth degree of the scale is the submedian, because it's the same distance below the tonic as the median is above the tonic. And finally, the eighth degree of the scale is the same as the first degree. It's the tonic. Instead of simply memorizing the names of the scale degrees, think about their relationships to each other.